Welcome to my channel Awesome Code, and don't forget to subscribe it. In this video we are going to learn how to install SQLite 3 and md5 for our node application. I will use sudo command with the npm and then install SQLite. This will be our database for node application, and we will create a connection to our database in this video and also create a table. First I'm going to install it and just hit enter. Now we have SQLite installed on our system, and I'm going to install md5. md5 is used for hashing messages with md5 algorithm. And you can use this package on the server side as well as the client side. Yeah, first I'm going to clear the screen and then install it. The command for this is npm install npm install md5. Installation for md5 package is complete. Clear the screen again, and going to create a DB file where I'm going to connect to our SQLite database. Also create a table inside our database. I will use gedit editor to create a file. Name it. I will name it db.js. And we'll have a variable SQLite, and import package SQLite 3. And call verbose function. And now we'll have another variable db, and we'll create a SQLite database by calling database function. And inside here we need to give the database name, so I will name it students.db. And now I'm going to create a table student by using our db.run method to execute the SQL statement to create our table. Create table student, and inside it I will have a ID for student, and its type will be integer and will be set as a primary key. Auto increment. This ID will be auto increment, and then I will have a first name, and then last name, or just a last one. Make it first name and last name, and then we'll also have a student email and a password. And the single quote over here is missing. I need to add that one. Just don't need for every one of those, so I'm just gonna do this. Now it look good. Need to remove this one. Don't need this one. And it starts from here and goes up to here. Move into a single line. Or let it stay over here to the second line. And now I'm going to close db dot close. We need to close the database after using it. Now everything looks good. Need to run this script so we can create our database students.db and create a table student inside of students database with ID, first name, last name, email, and password, the column name of our table. To run, I need to type node and db.js and just hit enter. There's a spelling mistake over here, auto increment. This should be E. Oh, in uppercase will look better. And just run the script. So there are no errors and our database should be created by now. We can list and see if there is a database file students.db in our directory. Yes, it's over here, students.db. So this way you can install SQLite database and create a database and table and with the field names. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.